In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable Performance Detector in Microsoft Edge in just a few quick steps. This is a helpful feature if you want Edge to give you better insight into performance-related issues and help you manage browser efficiency more easily. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once Edge is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three-dot menu. This opens the main menu where you can access all of Edge's settings and customization options. From the menu, click on Settings. This will take you into the full settings page for Microsoft Edge. On the left-hand side, look for the section called System and Performance. Go ahead and click that option. Inside this menu, you'll see different performance-related controls for Edge. Now click on Performance. This is where you'll find the setting you need. Look for the option labeled Enable Performance Detector. Once you find it, simply toggle it on. As soon as you switch it on, Edge will start using the Performance Detector feature in the browser. That's all there is to it. You've now enabled Performance Detector in Microsoft Edge. If you want to double check that it's active, you can stay on this page and confirm the toggle is turned on. This feature can be useful if you want more control over how Edge handles performance and efficiency while browsing. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.